Hello friends, welcome to iTechkey YouTube channel. My name is Varun Chauhan. I hope all are doing good. I am also doing well friends. Today I came with CWP installation part 2. There I'll cover CWP setting and dashboard. Before starting to continue, if you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get new video notification. If you subscribe our YouTube channel, we motivate and ready to come with a new video. Let's start to continue.
First, login with username and password. In this video, I am covering dashboard and CWP setting. I am telling you about the dashboard. Dashboard, this area there is showing option firewall, backup, support. Uh, these are all content available in dashboard setting. Next option is CWP setting. Click on CWP setting. This is the important part for CWP panel configure with IP. So click on edit setting and there configure your public IP, which is I have already configured. This is shared IP and Apache port, and there configure your email ID for notification. uh, this email ID notification will show. There you can configure for alert, firewall alert email. I have also configured there. This is your local server IP. So there you can active NetED network configuration. Check this sign and CWP update. So there you can choose option stable version or latest version. So it is depend on you. I am configuring with the default setting. And second option is rebuild all web server WH host with the new IP change. Friends, this option for if you are using a new IP, you need to check sign this for save vhost and save change. Yeah, NAT setup, NetED active with local IP. Our NAT services has been configured, and you can check in IP NAT services has been configured. There also you need to add your IP. IP NAT services IP configured there. IP dot 168.14, this is our private IP and this is our public IP. Now IP NAT enable. Third option, IP manager. If you want there add any IP, so you can add IP, but our private IP already configured. There you can add your IP in network. So I have already IP added there, which is local network. Next, SC Linux setting. SC Linux setting already disabled there. If you want enable, so you can, but I suggest you CWP panel there disabled SC Linux setting because there some problem faced in CWP panel services if you will enable. So I suggest you please disable it. Next option, new backup beta. There you can setting for backup facility. There if you have user on your server, so you can take backup here, and there you can choose backup option. And next, for feature setting, there you can check or uncheck these option. If you want, if you don't want to take backup, so uncheck. If you want to backup, so please check these and save and create new backup. And this is the destination. If you want save backup in local directory, so you can choose local directory path. If you want FTP server, so there please configure FTP services and check connection test, and there save and create new backup. Next option is SSH server. If you want to configure backup on SSH server, so you can uh, enter SSH server user port file server and test connection. This is the path for destination, and there need to type access key. Next, frequency and execution. There you can choose backup timing, daily backup, weekly backup, monthly backup. If you want to send a daily, so if you want take backup daily basis, so there you can choose day, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. It is depend on you and your network requirement. Next, restore account. If you want to restore account, so choose restore option, and there give path. For example, if you have in local and FTP and SSH, so you can choose backup destination and save, and you can click on restore. There is a schedule. If you want to add a schedule for backup, so you can there choose your timing. Next, backup configuration. Manage backup weekly. These thing also for backup, but there you can choose backup option with SSH services. There need to configure details, server IP, username, port, and SSH key, save change and test connection. But I'll suggest you backup option in new backup beta, because there is three option available. In backup configuration, only two option available. If you want a restore backup, so click on restore backup, and there you can choose backup type, and there your backup path. So click on restore, it will restore. I don't have backup, so I am not using restore option, but you can restore from this option. Next is CWP add-ons. I am skipping CWP add-ons and support forum, CWP Wi-Fi API manager, because this option for uses after the license purchase. In CWP Wi-Fi you can get information, and API manager you can configure there. I hope friends you understand the CWP setting.
If my video helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and comment on video and like video. Don't forget to share with your colleague if they are planning to install CWP setting. Friends, bye bye, take care. We will meet in next part. Thank you.